Look, baby. It doesn't have to be this hard, you know? I don't like hurt people, you know? I don't like it. I don't like it. Just answer me this one question, пожалуйста. How do you make the product?我已经跟你讲，这个是好爱，我就是不知道啊。I told you, I don't know. Okay. Ладно, мужики. Дайте, товарищи. No, I have an amazing team. I have the best equipment. I can do it by myself. Versteht? Okay? Or where do you get the product? Where do you buy it? Tell me. Ёб твою. No. Okay. Online. Where? Online.
penphone.com.tw. Beautiful design, fast shipping. That's it.
It's so easy. Premium decorative planters.
Sprucing up your house with some new plants? Don't stress, skip the mess. Introducing Plantform.
Wow!
Transform the look of your home and give your plants a facelift with these stylish planters.
Way to go!
Act fast while
Boss, are you seeing this?
Who the fuck is that?
Delivery for Legit Capital Inc.
That was quick, huh?
哎，你怎么会在这里？
我应该比较像是顾问在这里吧。
I did it again. I made you believe we're more than just friends. Oh baby, it might seem like a crush, but it doesn't mean that I'm serious. 'Cause to lose all my senses, that is just so typically me. Oh baby, baby, oops, I did it again. I played with your heart, got lost in the game. Oh baby, baby, oops, you think I'm in love, that I'm sent from above. I'm not that innocent. You see, my problem is this.